The line L1 shown in figure 1 passes through the point P minus 2, 9, and we have Q 10, 6. Find the equation of L1. So, to find the equation, we need the gradient and a point. So, points are there, just we need to find out the gradient. So, gradient of L1. Y2 minus Y1, that is 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is minus 3 over X2 minus X1, 10 minus minus 2, that will give you 10 plus 2, 12. So gradient, we got it as minus 1 over 4, the gradient for L1. And we know we need to find out the equation of a line, we need the gradient and any one point. So y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus, I'm going to take the point Q here. Y minus y1 is 6 is equals to m, that is minus 1 by 4 into x minus x1 is 10. Let's just cross multiply this. We will get 4 into y minus 6 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 10. Just keep this in mind. We need to represent the equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So this will give us 4y minus 24 is equal to minus x, minus into minus is plus 10. Minus 24 goes to the other side. You will get 4y is equals to minus x. 10 plus 24 will give you 34. So y will be minus 1 by 4x plus 34 over 4. 4, we take it to the right hand side. Multiplication will become division, and I'm giving it to both the terms separately. You can simplify this. 34 over 4 can be further simplified. So y is equals to minus 1 by 4x plus, this will give you 17 over 2. This is the equation for the line L1. It's given that the straight line L2 passes through the origin. So this was all for L1. So L2, it passes through the origin means 0, 0 and is perpendicular to L1. Perpendicular to L1 means the gradient for L2 will be negative reciprocal of L1. Negative reciprocal of minus 1 by 4 is 4. And we know that in order to find out the equation of a line, we just need a gradient and the point. We do have everything. So y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 and y1 are 0 respectively. So y minus 0 is equals to 4 into x minus 0. Y is equals to 4x will be the equation for line L2. So this is for the equation for line L1. And here we have the equation for line L2. The line L1 and L2 meet at the point R. Find the coordinates of R. So this L1, L2, we need to find out the point of intersection. How do we find out the point of intersection? We just equate the right hand sides. So minus 1 by 4x plus 17 by 2 is equals to 4x. Minus 1 by 4, we know this is minus 0.25x plus 17 by 2, we know it is 8.5 is equals to 4x. So all the x terms together, so we will have 8.5 on the left hand side. Minus 0.25 goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive 0.25. 4 plus 0.25, that is 4.25x. Therefore, x will be 8.5 divided by 4.25. 8.5 divided by 4.25 is 2. So we will get x is equals to 2. Substitute this x in any one of this equation. Second one is more easier. So when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4 times 2, that is 8. So we got the coordinates of R. Coordinates of R is 2, 2, 8. So B part is done, and finally we need to find out the exact area of triangle OPQ. So let's just draw the triangle OPQ here. So from P to O, that is the origin, and then from O to Q, and then from P to Q. This is the triangle that we have, and we need to find out the area of the triangle. And we know area of a triangle is base times perpendicular height divided by 2. So for PQ, if we are considering PQ as the base and perpendicular height, we know that line L1 and L2 are perpendicular. So you can consider OR as the perpendicular height H. So we need to find out the base and we need to find out the height. Area of triangle is base times perpendicular height divided by 2. So we know all the values. P is minus 2 comma 9, Q is 10 comma 6, O is origin, that is 0 comma 0, and R we got it as 2 comma 8. So first I'm going to find out the perpendicular height H using distance formula. That is, H means it is OR. Basically, OR is what we need to find out. We know the formula, it is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So here, if I am considering 2 comma 8 as x 0 comma 0 is x1 y1 and 2 comma 8 is x2 y2, x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0, that is 2 square, plus y2 minus y1, 8 minus 0, that is 8 square, which will give us square root of 64 plus 4, which is 68. So we got the height. We need the base now. Base is basically the distance between P and Q. PQ. Same formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, root of, let's take minus 2 comma 9 is x1 y1, 10 comma 6 is x2 y2. So 10 minus minus 2, that is 12. 12 square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 9, that is minus 3 square. This is 12 square is 144. 3 square is 9. We will get it as square root of 153. Just put these two values in the formula. Area will be base is square root of 153 into height is square root of 68 divided by 2. Let's put this in calculator. Square root of 153 multiplied by square root of 68 divided by 2. We'll get it as 51. 51 will be the area of triangle OPQ. So that's it. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.